Professional photos are coming. If you have been waiting to move to SnoKno in a newer subdivision, one level, maintenance-free living, this is it. This house has so many perks, including beautiful hardwood floors, open concept style, 3 good-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, TV hookup professionally installed and wired for your sound system, hoa covers your lawn mowing, the backyard is partially fenced. Master has walk-in closet, fresh coat of paint throughout, and just landscaped for you to enjoy. And to add to all of the above, the washer and dryer will convey with the property at no additional cost. The home has a Sentricon system installed and general current pest control. ContractIt does not get better than this, so book your showing today.